Hello and welcome to another tutorial for LabRecon. Today we will talk about the DLL link feature of LabRecon, which allows the values of analog inputs, and digital outputs to be shared with other programming languages and environments which include C++, C#, Java, Python, and Visual Basic. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up LabRecon and a Java IDE, in our case, NetBeans 7.3. To get to the DLL link feature, click on the Menu tab, Hardware I/O, and then on DLL link. Once you are in the DLL link screen, the first thing you should check is whether or not proper DLL file is installed in your computer. The text box on the bottom right will signify whether or not lrdlink.dll is installed. If it is not installed, click on Install DLL and the program should install it automatically, although you might be prompted to give administrator privileges. Next, click on Enable DLL link. Finally, if you just want to test the DLL link, click on Use Test Values to give sequenced analog and digital input values to the LabRecon software. Next, in order to use Java to access DLL files, you will need the latest Java Native Access library in your IDE. Therefore, go online and download the latest JNA library, in this case, JNA 3.5.2. Next, in your Java IDE, create a new project. If you want to use the same example code given in the LabRecon software, you must name your project DLL test and create a main class file with the same name. Next, create your program. For this tutorial, we will use the example codes found in the LabRecon software. This can be found on the right-hand side of the DLL link screen under Open Code Examples. Before you run your program, you must make sure that the JNA library is imported into your IDE. For NetBeans, go to the Projects tab and right-click on Libraries. Click on Add jar/folders and select the JNA library that you have downloaded. After that, run your program and you should be able to see the values from LabRecon in the output of your IDE. You can also go to the DLL link screen in LabRecon to check how many times the program calls certain functions. Here, we see that lrgetAin and lrputDout are called. There are also further instructions and clarifications in the help section of the DLL link screen. And as always, thank you for watching.